Hey, what's going on, guys? Looks like Apple Fitness just launched a new program for new first-time mothers. I think this is going to be great, especially on the television. You know, the screen's nice and big and nice and easy to see. Me personally, I wouldn't use it on the watch, but yeah, let's check this out. So it looks like they launched a new program that specifically designs for new moms called Back to Fitness After Having a Baby. It's designed to take the guesswork out of postpartum exercise and prevent you from having to get a specialist. The new program is available on the Apple Fitness app and on the Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, and on the Apple TV, and it includes core strength, mindful cool down workouts, and focuses on breathing, gentle movements, and pelvic floor work. Especially with the pelvic floor work part, I know that was something that my girlfriend had struggled with, because your body just really takes a toll and it takes a really long time to heal. The workouts are just 10 minutes long and they're really easy to pause and return to, which, postpartum, you need that time to break. I am not a mom, because obviously I'm a guy, but just watching her recover, with the stitches, the way she was walking, you really have to be delicate when you're moving your body and training it to get back to normal. To access the program, you'll need to subscribe to Apple Fitness. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for just $10 a month with 1 month free, and if you own an Apple Watch. So I think that's pretty cool. They give it to you for free if you have an Apple Watch, or even if you just want to just get a free trial. I think this is great. This is a big win for Apple. Very mommy friendly. Let me know what you guys think about Apple Fitness releasing a new program exclusively for moms. I would assume that moms that have already had children can also use this, but I think it's dope. Please like the video, leave a comment below. I'm actually not a big fan of virtual exercise. Like I hate the Peloton and everything like it, but you know what? This ain't too bad. I'll catch y'all later. As normal, I'm out.